Have you ever wondered what a simple kitchen ingredient like baking soda can do for your garden? Join us today as we explore the fascinating effects of adding baking soda to your garden soil. You might be surprised by the wonders this common household item can unleash. Today, we're diving into a fun experiment using baking soda in the garden. Baking soda is more than just for baking. It can actually benefit your plants in various ways. Let's see how. First off, what exactly is baking soda? It's a white, powdery substance known scientifically as sodium bicarbonate. This versatile compound can work wonders beyond the kitchen. So why should you consider using baking soda in your garden? Well, let's start with pest control. Baking soda can be a natural deterrent against certain insects and fungi. Sprinkling a bit of baking soda around your plants can help deter common pests like aphids and even prevent fungal diseases like powdery mildew. It's really simple. Just mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a quart of water and a few drops of liquid soap. Then spray this solution on affected plants every few days to keep those pesky bugs away. Over time, you'll notice healthier pest-free plants without the need for harsh chemicals. But that's not all. Baking soda can also improve your soil's quality by reducing acidity. Some plants prefer slightly alkaline soil, and baking soda can help adjust the pH level to create a more balanced environment. If you have acidic soil, sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda around your plants. This will help neutralize the acidity over time. Regular application can lead to healthier soil, which means healthier plants overall. Another great use of baking soda is in composting. It can speed up the decomposition process and reduce odors. Adding a sprinkling of baking soda to your compost bin helps to break down organic matter more efficiently. Plus, it helps control any unpleasant smells that can sometimes arise from composting. Your plants will thank you for the nutrient-rich compost, and you'll enjoy a more pleasant composting experience. So, there you have it. Baking soda is a simple, natural solution with multiple benefits for your garden. From pest control to soil enhancement and even composting aid, this kitchen staple can do wonders for your plants. Remember, moderation is key. While baking soda can be beneficial, it's essential not to overdo it. Start with small amounts and observe how your plants respond. Have you tried using baking soda in your garden? Share your experiences with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. See you next time.